everyone, good evening to all of you. I'm here again, your local reactor from Philippines. My name is Jayson and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, J-Rodix TV. So for today's video, I'm going to grant the request of one of my friends out there in Manipur, Northeast India, Mr. Rolando Takilambam. And he wants me to react this Manipur song with the title of Mitsna, official Eigi Saigee hero movie song released 2018. So yeah, almost 4 years ago from now, guys. So we don't have a choice, but we're going to react this. This is a request, so I just want to grant your request. Alright, so before that, by the way, who is the singer here? The singer here, guys, are Eigi Mitsna, oh my goodness, and Mandakini. Alright, so who is the... Yeah, there's no cast here. I don't know who is the cast here. This is my first time to watch this, but don't you worry, guys. We're going to find out who is the cast here in this music. But before that, make sure that you're subscribing my channel and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. Oh, RJ Star production again. This is a movie song, guys. H360 Pictures. Eigi Saigee or Saigee hero. Wow, I like the view here. This winter. Wow, oh my goodness. How Manipur, very, very beautiful state is. Who is this girl? Oh my god, look at the rock formation there. It's Johnny, what's I have the list of the artists here. Is that Johnny No Michael? Is that the last name of this guy? Oh! It's like a Bala Heja! Wow! Bala Heja! Maybe this time, guys, Bala Hejam is a singer. Yeah. This music, Bala is a singer here because I think she's married. I'm not sure if 2018 or 2019. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Alright. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Oh my This is my first time to see that there is a beach. Yes, in the Manipur. I don't know where is the beach in Manipur. Or this is another place. They take this shooting. Correct me guys or tell me guys, who is this guy in this music? But I know this girl, Balaheja. He's most, he's the most popular actress. Oh, is this wow, what kind of a building this? It's like a White House. Oh my goodness, what's this? Oh, look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh, whoa, there's a rainbow behind them. Ooh. Look at that. Unconditional love. Really? That's all guys. I'm not sure is the oh, this is the behind the scene. Oh, that's all guys. That's all our reaction for today. Mitsna. This is a movie song guys, and the title of this movie is Eigi Saigee Hero. I'm not sure if this guy here is a jump psycho. Is that correct guys? Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, the most important here is the girl. I'm sure and I know that the name of this girl is Vala Hejam. She's so popular in when it comes money for music. Alright guys, did you like it, the song Mitsna? Wow, that was so good for me. That was very it's like I feel the love of this music. It's look like this song is for the lovers. Oh, I know some of you there watching right now. I'm not sure if you're, you're watching right now with your lovers. Oh my goodness, or your loved ones. Okay, it's okay, guys, because some of these money for music right now, I think this year guys, they're always made they're always making musical video, especially money for music guys. They're always making a song for the lovers guys. Yes, mostly guys, mostly it's all about love. Okay, it's all about relationship. So what are you waiting for, guys? Watch now, Money for Music. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for having me here until the end of this reaction of video. I hope you like it, guys. I hope you enjoy and happy to watch my reaction of video. So if you like it, guys, please don't forget to like and share this to your families and friends. And one more thing, guys, just to remind you guys, alright? Just to remind you one more thing. For those new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video like this. So, thank you so much, and see you on my next reaction video. I love you so much, guys, and God bless you. Bye.